Janet Cook from the Frugal Stylist. For today's video, I'm demonstrating for you how to get stains out of white clothing. So to get this ketchup stain out of my nice white t-shirt, I'm going to take a spray bottle and fill it with equal parts Dawn dishwashing liquid. For whatever reason, it has to be Dawn. With equal parts hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle, obviously. Shake it up, add a little bit of baking soda onto that stain. I got a nasty ketchup stain right here on my white t-shirt. Spray it onto that stain. Get an old toothbrush and scrub it on in there. Now as you can see, the hydrogen peroxide, a natural solution, mixed with the Dawn dishwashing liquid's magical powers, and the abrasiveness of the baking soda will hurry up and get this stain right on out of there. For tougher stains that you get in your white clothing, I would probably let it sit for a little while before you start scrubbing. But this is just a basic ketchup stain. And as you can see, it's already getting out as I'm talking to you. So that's it. That's how you remove stains from white clothing. For more style tips, please visit thefrugalstylist.com. I'm Janet Cook. Thanks for watching.